God created the heavens and the earth. Genesis 1 verse 1. That is people's belief on how everything was created. Up until the population was divided into two sides when this man named Charles Darwin presented his book entitled, On the Origin of Species. This book tackles the birth of life, how species differ to one another today, and how these variations developed with an emphasis on how we all had a common ancestor. Not long after, an unknown Augustinian monk named Gregor Mendel found out the basics of biology. While he was in the monastery's garden, he experimented on different things there. One of his most famous experiments is the pea plant experiment, wherein he attempted to crossbreed a green pea plant and a yellow pea plant. At first, the offspring were always yellow, but in the next generation of plants, he discovered that the green pea plant came back with a ratio of 3:1. Because of this experiment, Mendel coined the term recessive and dominant for the green and yellow pea plants consecutively for this experiment. After some years, a paper of Mendel was published where he mentioned invisible traits that we now term as genes. Few years later, Friedrich Miescher accidentally discovered what he called nuclein. He was supposedly characterizing proteins in human white blood cell when he found a substance that has a very high phosphorus content, different from the protein's characteristics. He called this nuclein, which we now know today as deoxyribonucleic acid or simply DNA.